It was 2023.
You want to raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you someone in the audience?
Yes. Who it is? It's Christina Hernandez.
Oh, her name is Christina Hernandez. All right, who's the person here for Christina Hernandez, the family member? Christina Hernandez, who's your family member? Who is your family member? All right, you need to step outside the courtroom or talk to anyone in the audience, because the deputies are here for everyone's security and they don't know what you're signaling people for. This is not a time for visitation. If you want to do visitation, you need to do it at the Bexar County Jail.
Judges and deputies are always on high alert. Even a casual wave can be mistaken for witness tampering or passing coded messages. Ever wonder why courtrooms feel so tense? This is why.
Good.
Yeah. All right, court is calling 2021 CR 2960, State versus Kara Michelle Clark. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Brandon Lopez for Ms. Clark.
And are you Ms. Clark? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and State's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Kara Michelle Clark who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 2960 for the offense of theft under $2,500 in hand?
This part is crucial.
On March 2nd, 2023,
she's admitting to violating
for a term
probation by
of
not
4 years.
reporting
Is
for
that
the
you?
entire year.
All right,
That's
State.
not just a slip up, that's a shutdown. Do you think health issues should excuse a full year of no contact? Let me know in the comments.
Report from the supervision officer as directed for the months of January 2024, February 2024, March 2024, April 2024, May 2024, June 2024, July 2024, August 2024, September 2024, October 2024, November 2024, and December 2024, violation of this number 4.
How do you, all right. How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It is true.
State? Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Understand, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
It is the truth, Your Honor.
But do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement? State, what are you requesting?
States.
Defense?
Your Honor, we're asking to go with the recommendation of probation, which was to continue weekly UAs on the IVR line for 120 days with zero tolerance, amend TAP recommendations, register within 30 days for the theft level 1 program, followed by the theft level 2 at CATS, and intensive outpatient treatment.
All right. Has she done anything on probation?
Your Honor, she has not. Shortly following her plea, she was diagnosed with congenital heart failure. She reports to me that she's been doing odd jobs living at the same location.
Now the defense drops a bombshell heart failure diagnosis.
Essentially dealing with
here's the
those
problem.
Ramifications.
No paperwork.
She also reports to me that
no proof.
Her diagnosis is for
In
6
court,
months. She does not
claims
get a new
without
heart.
documentation are just stories. Judges don't rule on sympathy, they rule on evidence.
So she's asking for the opportunity to continue on probation on the outside with her limited time available.
All right. So do you have any medical proof of any of this?
And Your Honor, I asked her about that. Obviously, I do not have it at this time. If it was important, obviously it is important to the court. I could attempt to get that. I don't know how easy that would be with her being on the inside, but that's what we could do.
All right. So all you had to do was call probation.
Yes, ma'am, I did. But I didn't call them until it was 2023.
Oh, you want to raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you
To me,
solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, that nothing but the truth so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you want to say?
I contacted Tamia Dixon, my then probation officer, and it was December of 2023. And I went back to the hospital in November. I was diagnosed in August and I went back in November, and they told me that I was deteriorating. I had lost 5% of my ejection fraction in those couple of months. And that's when they
So how
called
long were you in the hospital?
for a week at a time, both times.
All right, did you call probation and let them know you're in the hospital?
Not until the second time. I called her when I got out.
All right, and when were you released from the hospital?
A week after. It was the day after Thanksgiving that I went in. So it was about 6 days later I was released.
All right, so January 2024, and I will even give you January 2024 because I'm like, you're in the hospital for November, then December, you got Christmas. January, usually people are still recovering from Christmas and it's a holiday season, the month of January. But they say that you didn't report for February.
Yes,
What was
ma'am.
happening in February 2024?
I had called back in January like Miss Dixon had asked me to, and she was no longer my probation officer. I had been reassigned. And I called my
Risk. She
new
admits
probation
giving up
officer
after 3
multiple
months.
times, and she never
But here's a
contacted
thought.
me.
If
So I tried to contact
system
Miss
fails you,
Jennifer. I
do you
don't
just
remember
stop
her last
trying
name.
or
The
find
lady
another
in
way?
charge of
The
all
judge
of
even
the
said,
adult probation
you could have
officers.
come
and
back
So
to
you're
court
saying
directly.
that you were not.
That's a life tip and a legal one.
able to get in touch with anyone
Yes, that is
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So that basically the entire month of December 2024, the entire year of 2024, you were not able to contact anyone.
I gave up after about 3 months.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I apologize. I know that I should have done something more, but I was afraid of going to jail.
All right. So here's the thing. I tell everybody, if there's an issue and you feel as though probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Did you come back to the court?
No, Your Honor, I was
Right.
afraid of going to jail.
All right. So the court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty. What time are you asking for, State?
The judge throws her a legal lifeline. Bring me documentation, and I'll
Yeah, that's the
reconsider.
minimum, so we
This
have
is
to put a
rare.
minimum if we're gonna revoke.
Most
All right.
defendants
So
don't get
my
a
question
second
is,
swing.
why should I give her the
Would you
minimum?
risk
She
jail
hasn't done
hoping
anything.
paperwork comes through? Hear your take.
Yeah, and I think, well, I don't have any paperwork regarding her diagnosis, but it seems to be truthful. I do think that that she's dealing with these health issues, and we'd ask for the minimum for those reasons.
All right. I'm going to sentence her to 1 year in the state jail facility. Counsel, if you're able to get documentation to the court that what she's saying is the truth, I will reconsider the sentence.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so this 1 year in the state jail facility give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, I did.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So yes, counsel, bring me the information and I'll